So you can see this is our model and we will experiment on this model to learn the textile density tool. Okay, so you can see I have added few scenes on it and I can easily UV unwrap this model. So just select everything and UV and you unwrap. You can see it's UV unwrapping here. And now I'm going to give the texture to this. So I will go to the shading and then new and create image texture. Shift A, texture, and then add image texture add there and create a new texture add there. I will go with the 2K resolution and select color UV grid and then hit OK. Then connect this texture like this. And you can see here is the result. I'm getting pretty well UV unwrap. In the case of this model, because of adding supportive loop cuts and adding the seams at the right place, we are not facing that much stretching issue. So that's why in the subdivision workflow, you need to add the supportive loop cuts and you need to add the seams at the right place for UV unwrapping. That's important. Okay, now let's come to the textile density add-on. So I will go to the edit mode, and the next feature of the textile density add-on is pretty easy. You can select faces and UV islands with the help of textile density and the UV space. So this is the feature of the textile density add-on. Just turn on that UV Synax selection tool, and now I will select this UV island by pressing L key, and then I will calculate this textile density. It is somewhere around 2.351. So here you can see its textile density and its UV space. So first we are going to select faces and UV islands with the help of textile density. So here are the options in this select box, that's faces by textile, islands by textile, and islands by UV space. So we are going to select the faces with the help of textile density. So just select this first option and we are going to select the equal density faces, or you can select less than or greater than also. Okay, now you need to set that textile density in this box, textile. So that's why you need to press this option, third option. So just click on this option and it will fill that textile density in this box. You can see here is the textile 2.351, and now if you try to select the faces, it will select the faces which has the same textile density. And now I'm going to select that, select faces by TD. It will select all the faces because all the faces have same textile density. So that's why it is going to select all the faces. Now I'm going to select these UV islands. So just scale it down like this. Select this UV island and now calculate its TD and set this value here. The value is here, textile density. And now I will try to select the faces by TD. So it will select only these faces because only these 4 faces have same textile density. In this way you can select the UV islands or faces with the help of textile density. So I'm going to select this UV island and now I will select here islands by textile density, this option, and here I'm going to select the greater than option, and I have calculated TD and I have set this value at here, and now it will select the UV islands which has more textile density in comparison to this UV island. So just select this and you can see, and in the same way we can select the faces and UV islands with the help of UV space also. Okay, so that's why I'm going to select this UV island and I will calculate this TD, and here you can see its UV space is 11.8 somewhere around, and just set this value at here. Here you can see the textile density, but I'm going to choose the islands by UV space option, and here I'm going to choose the equal to option, and then one more time you need to calculate TD and then calculate set value. It will fill the 11.8 that value at here in the UV space and then select islands by UV space. It is not going to select anything because there is no any island which has same UV space, means which occupies same UV space in this UV space. Yeah, in this UV space. So I'm going to select another option which is less than. So it will select the UV islands which occupy less UV space in comparison to this UV island. So this is the another use of the textile density add-on. You can select the faces and UV islands with the help of their textile density and UV space. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, then hit that like button and subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye bye. So next video, take care.